Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will tell you how to install Apache Flume, and I will also run an example of Twitter stream data. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to install Apache Hadoop. First go to Google Chrome, the flume.apache.org, download. From here, click on Apache Flume 1.9.0 bin tar file. After coming on next window, here is the mirror link. Download the mirror link and your download will start. As I have already installed the Apache Flume file, you can see. Now extract the file here. It will take some seconds, 5 to 8 seconds. Just okay. After extracting the Apache Flume 1.9.0, cut this file from here and paste it in local disk C like this. Now you have to set, before Apache Flume, running Apache Flume, your computer should have installed Hadoop and Java software. Okay, now we have to set environment variables like we have did for Hadoop and Java. Control copy this path, because we need in edit environment system environment variables. Wait a minute. Edit system environment variables. Now environment variables, here enter new flume underscore home and paste the path here. Okay, now from local disk C we have flume underscore conf का भी हमने करना है. इधर से आपने इसका पाथ किया कॉपी, कंट्रोल को C. now new flume underscore configuration or paste this path here. Okay, now we have to edit a new variable one also, which is class path. Now go to local disk C Apache Flume 1.9.0 library folders, control copy this path. Okay, now new, enter variable name. What is the variable name? Class path and paste this link here. Okay, now we have to set path also. Now copy the path where local disk C Apache Flume folder, then in bin folder copy this path and here press path, edit new. Okay, now we have already did all the things. Now go to local disk. Before we have to check Apache Flume installed correctly or not. Command prompt, run as administrator. Always run as administrator, else it will give an error that you have no access. Okay, now cd and then Flume ng help. If yes, it will come into a menu. Now you can also check your version of Flume minus ng space version. It will take some time. It will take. Now you look, Flume 1.9.0 already installed. Okay, now close this window. Now we have to do some settings in file. Go to configuration. Now copy these template files and paste it here and remove copy template from these file. Copy.template from this file. Okay, rename. Wait a minute. Now do for Flume config properties dot template all no copy वाली template को करना आपने rename remove copy template from now from here rename remove copy template and now remove the template original template files delete. Now in log4j open log4j property I have installed a notepad plus plus from where I now here if remove this hash from this line and add it on this line. Just do this and save the file. Only do this. Okay. Now in Flume env.sh or edit with not open edit with notepad plus plus. Here export java underscore home. We have to set path of java underscore home, which I have set it earlier. Go to environment variables java underscore home, control copy this path and paste it here, control V and remove this hash. Now we have to set class path, export class path, export class path, capital class path is equals to. Now go to same edit system environment variables where class path, control copy and paste it here. Okay, control V. Now control S, save this file. Now we have to make a file twitter.conf twitter in small letters twitter.conf and remove .txt from here. I will provide this twitter.conf file in my description. You can download it and paste it here. Here it is. I have to okay, download twitter.conf file, control A, copy, edit with notepad plus plus, control V. Here we have Twitter agent, Twitter चैनल मेम चैनल सिंक्स HDFS आ गई. इधर आपने कीवर्ड एंटर कर दिया अपने, और ये आपको जो इसकी API कीज़ हैं और सेस टोकन सीक्रेट की हैं, ये आपको ट्विटर डेवलपर में जाके अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ से आपको ये APIs वगैरह मिलेंगी. तो ये मेरे पास थी पहले, मैंने किया हुआ था तो मैंने वहीं से ले लिया है. इसमें आपने इधर कीवर्ड्स डाल देने हैं जौन से आपने जिसका ट्विटर का ट्वीट्स फैच करने हैं आपने, वो वाले कीवर्ड्स आपने डाल दिए. ओके, नाउ कंट्रोल एस. नाउ do one thing before running an example. Go to library, search here guava, GUAVA. Now remove this file, delete this file because it will give an error. Now search for guava as it already, delete file. Okay, now command prompt, run as administrator. Always run as administrator, and your computer should have installed Hadoop and Java. Now cd now HDFS name node minus format. It will format the disk. Wait for few seconds. Okay, now go to in Hadoop folder, cd Hadoop 3.3.0/sbin. Here जिधर मैंने अपना Hadoop 3.3.0 लिखा है, इधर आप अपना Hadoop का फोल्डर का नाम लिखेंगे जिसमें आपने लोकल डिस्क सी में जो आपने जिस नाम से आपने सेव की हुई है, जिसमें इधर आपने गए हैं, इधर आपने जाके स्टार्ट DFS डाटा नोड्स को आप स्टार्ट कर दें, देन स्टार्ट yarn manager, start hyphen yarn, it will start the yarn daemons. Okay, now check if the daemons are working properly or not. Localhost 9870, it's mean working properly. Now we have to run Hadoop example. Wait a few minutes, it will, if it will here the right, if it will come data manager stops unexpectedly, shut down your source manager, it's mean Hadoop will have any error. Okay, and it will be waiting for our next instruction. Same, now go to cd, now go to in Apache Flume folder, Apache Flume folder के लिए cd Apache, wait a second, copy from here, library Apache Flume local disk C, rename करके कॉपी कर लें आप इसको ताकि आपको लिखना ना पड़े, इधर आप पेस्ट कर दें. Now okay, now I will provide the command of Twitter also. Where is my, I have written these commands. I will provide these all commands with step what you have to enter, then what you have to control copy. Now paste this command here. And it will take some time. Depend on your computer speeds. As you have seen that it will start fetching data from Twitter, starting with fetching tweets. Now it will not stop automatically. You have to press Ctrl C to stop this. Okay, let's fetch some data. Okay, now press enter Ctrl C and it will stop here, shutting down. Okay, now I will tell you, go to local disk, Google Chrome, utilities, browse the file system, Hadoop, wait, Hadoop not, okay, / now here Hadoop folder, now Twitter data. Here you will see we have one file, download this file. Shown in folder, I will see I did with notepad++. Okay, let's see any tweet here, if I will find. Look, someone is joyful manner saying, I have been watching True Beauty and this scene really got me excited. Means you are fetching data from Twitter. Okay, now here our Hadoop is Apache Flume installation complete and configuration is complete. I also done example. Now tell me in comments how was my video. If you have any queries, send me your queries. I will surely answer your queries. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and please subscribe and like my video.